Hey team, Chef Eric Gephardt here. Happy Halloween, one of my favorite holidays of all time. We're gonna do our own version, puff pastry, mac and cheese, quarry Arctic salmon, and we're gonna make it look like a spider. Let's do this. Easy peasy stuff today, folks. What we're doing is getting a brief sear on both sides of the salmon. Don't worry about cooking it because we're gonna bake it for about 30 minutes. So just a quick sear, take it off the grill, then we're gonna get our puff pastry ready. All right, again, we're not cooking this all the way through. We just want to get a little bit of a sear on there. Next thing we're gonna do is get our puff pastry laid out, put our mac and cheese down, and then put our salmon on top and wrap it up and begin the spider. That's pretty cool. We've got our little pocket here with our mac and cheese and our salmon. We're gonna use this extra stuff for legs. So each little ribbon here will become 4 legs. And remember, it's Halloween, right? So it's not supposed to be perfect. Let's get some egg wash on the top of the body here. Oh, it's already feeling a little spooky. Put a couple pieces of pink peppercorns for the eyes. Oh, it's spooky. Let's go ahead and shut the lid, and we're gonna bake this for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, let's take a look at this spooky spider. It got so big! Look at that guy. Oh, just smelling that wonderful salmon and the mac and cheese. The kiddos are gonna love this. I think next time I'm gonna try to make it look a little less of a tick and more of a spider. Candy corns for the teeth. I like the pink peppercorns for the eyes. Let's give it a go. Look at that. Just mac and cheese salmon deliciousness. Oh, it's so hot still. Here we go. That's really good. I think the kiddos are gonna approve. So that's a lot of fun. Again, Halloween is a great time for playing around, but it doesn't mean that you don't have to sneak some nutrition in there and some deliciousness with that wonderful quarry Arctic salmon. Mac and cheese doesn't hurt a little bit too, and that puff pastry, just really, really wonderful. Sky's the limit. Whatever shape you can make, go ahead and play around with it. Again, I think I'm gonna try for more of a spider than a tick next time, but this was a lot of fun. Cheers, folks.